just witnessing this massive elephant wallowing in the mud to cool off. See, it's beautiful. So now, here we have elephants. So the entire time we were doing the game driving around, we saw quite a bit of everything, and now we have elephants here. Look at them. Beautiful. So now we're just witnessing this massive elephant wallowing in the mud to cool off. Beautiful. really tried to fit in a small muddy pool. Look at him. Wow, feels good. He's like, wow, but that is too small for him, man. He's just sleeping. Wow. He's just rumbling now. I think he's really enjoying the mud bath. It's pretty hard, to be honest, so to cool off like this, even I will be really satisfied. Wow, he dug down, man. Look at that. He just dug deep down. Did you see that? He literally just dig down where he can place his forelimbs. I don't know why he did that, but I think maybe it's just to support itself. Wow. I think he really wanted to get his entire body wet, but the mud pool is too small for him. So it only got cool off on the bottom of his body, but the top is still dry. So maybe he's very disappointed for that. He's disappointed about it. Oh, the other one is coming behind us. The other one is going to join in. There's another one behind. It's going to join him. His trunk is been cut off or something. It's shortened. So the other one in the back over there is like a friend. They are family. He's coming back to join him again. I've seen it there that his trunk is a bit shortened. It's like being cut off or something, because the other one trunk is pretty long. But this one here, it's kind of short. I couldn't take a video of it because it's a little bit far away, but if we got closer where it's open, where I can take the video, I can just do that. It's pretty short. Okay, he had enough now. It's like, oh man, it is what it is. What else can I do? going to join him. His trunk is been cut off or something. It's shortened. So the other one in the back over there is like a friend. They are family. He's coming back to join him again. I've seen in the area that his trunk is a bit shortened. It's like being cut off or something, because the other one trunk is pretty long. But this one here, it's kind of short. I couldn't take a video of it because it's a little bit far away, but if it got closer where it's open, where I can take a video, I can just do that. It's pretty short. So this is a mud area. You see the pool is very small for such a huge elephant to fit in. Very small. So, but he tried his best. Now they are slightly cool off, especially on the bottom of their body. Now they took off. They just went away. So you could see in the distance the other one trunk is a bit short, I think. It's the main. See, it's been cut off or something. That is a mud pool. And for some reason, when he was doing the mud bath, he was digging on the ground. Like that, you can see like it's big. Yeah, he was shoveling those tusks in the ground like crazy.